Hello guys, I want to tell you about an experience I had earlier today. I wanted to connect my Wi-Fi to a friend's phone to access the internet, but upon doing that, I realized that I've forgotten my Wi-Fi password. So now today I'm going to teach you how you can review your Wi-Fi password. That is if it has already been connected to your PC once. So now you can see that my Wi-Fi is already connected. Currently it is on, so it is connected to my PC, but I've forgotten the password. So now I'm coming to teach you how you can show the password, because most settings, if you go to settings, you don't see anything as password over there. So right now I'm coming to teach you a simple way. So the first thing you do, you search for CMD, that's command prompt. Then you run as administrator. Yes. Then you see the command prompt opened. So you type this. You type this and you press enter. So when you press enter, the command prompt will now show you all networks that has been connected to this PC. So all networks that has ever been connected to this PC are now shown here. So now you want to show their passwords. So now you now type this, and now you press enter again. So now you can see that the command prompt is telling us something. Interface profile, this has been saved successfully. So you can see all of them has been saved successfully in this file path, this C. So now you close your command prompt gently, you open your file explorer, then you go to your local disk C, because that's where we have saved the network. Then you come down, you can see that all the networks are here, all of them. So now currently, if you look at my network name, Christian, with these emojis, you notice that this is it. So now you right click on this, you right click on it, then you open with notepad. You can use notepad, but I'm using wordpad here. So you open with wordpad. Then whilst opening with wordpad, this will come. Then you come down, then you see where they have written security. You see this is the end tag for security. So where you see security, you come down, you look for key material. Then in between the key material is your password. So this is my password. So this is how I've reviewed my Wi-Fi password using command prompt. But there's another simple way you can do this by just going to your settings, your network and internet, then you go to Wi-Fi, Then when you go to Wi-Fi, you see Wi-Fi connections. Then you click on network and sharing center. So your network and sharing center, we have this. You click on this, you click on the connected device, Lucy, and you click on Wi-Fi into bracket this. Then this menu will come. Then you now click on wireless properties, and this will also come. Then you click security, then network security key. Then now click show characters, and you can see your Wi-Fi password over there gently. So thank you for staying with me throughout this video. Before you exit, please subscribe, like, and turn on the notification button so that anytime I post a new video, you'll be updated.